Anji, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This is Avtar Singh, the Sikh Coach. Just making this video to let people know that there's a lot of hype around AI chatbots and they're quite good and useful for a number of things. But one thing that we can't depend on it is about Gurbani and Sikhi. We have to check the facts. So I'm using one which is said to be like the second most efficient AI chatbot called Mistral, and obviously these are fed with different types of data, so you'll get different results in different places. So I gave it a very simple question. Say, in Japji Sahib, the Sikh prayer, there is a body on Aisa Naam. What does Aisa Naam mean? And so it's managed to give me an answer. So in the Japji Sahib, the Sikh prayer, the term Aisa Naam refers to the divine name, which makes sense, or the divine essence of the God. It is often interpreted as the ultimate reality, the source of all creation, and the universal consciousness that permeates everything. So that's not too bad. I kind of agree with that. But then it says the specific body, stanza, and Japji Sahib that you're referring to is this, which actually is not anywhere in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So it seems to have fabricated a new body altogether and explained what the body means, which doesn't actually exist in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So I checked this. So I kind of asked what page on the Guru Granth Sahib Ji is this body from, and it says it's from the Japji Sahib, again, a composition in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and it starts on page 1, it continues on 8, and the body is mentioned on 4. And I said, this is inaccurate, that body is not part of the Japji Sahib. He apologized, and then said, you're correct, it's not mentioned. Then it said, it's part of the Sikh Coach Bani, which again, it's not. And that's referenced the Young of 942 of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. I apologize for any confusions, etc. Then I said, show me the Gurbani, please, because at the moment, just showing me the transliteration or the meanings. Transliteration, sorry. So we get to the Gurbani, and again, it's kind of wrote out the Gurbani for what it found, and then explained it again. Then I said, can you show me the page as I'm struggling to find this? And it says, again, it's 942. This time, it's clever enough to give me searchgurbani.com and the Young. This link didn't actually work, so I went onto the website, went onto Ahang 942, run through it clearly, and this obviously wasn't there, and I knew it was not going to be there, but just wanted to make sure. And then I said, your data is incorrect, this output is very misleading, this should not be shared as you're twisting Gurbani, which should not be re-engineered. Obviously this is a chatbot, doesn't understand. And then it completely apologized for the confusion and realized that the previous response was indeed incorrect, and thank you for bringing it to my attention. To clarify, Asanand Ranjan hair is not part of Japji Sahib, nor is it found on Ang 942. In fact, the body is not found anywhere in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So, one thing I just want to tell people about using AI chatbots, and something we need to take in consideration when we ourselves as a Sikh community want to create something like this, it's got to have some decent testing. You got to have some controls that Gurbani is protected, nothing can be misinterpreted. Obviously, these ones are created in the Western world with data sets just taken from the internet, but we don't know what the AIs will be doing with the information and how it will be regurgitating it out. So it's something that I wanted to highlight to the community. With existing tools, to be careful. You cannot just take their word for their word as truth. I mean, they say that when you start using the services anyway, that this can output incorrect information, and we should be clever enough, investigative enough, research enough, have knowledge about Gurbani to understand what might be incorrect or might not be incorrect. So, with that, I'll end this video, and thank you for listening. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.